Hey, it's James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and today I have an incredibly short, concise lesson for you. I have one question for you. How short are the nails on your chord hand? I just want you to take a look at it and tell me. Because if your nails look like this, see how long they are? All that white stuff, there's so much room underneath my nails there. When it's like that, when your nails are long like that, when you go to press down the string, your nail hits the fretboard, it hits the wooden part before your finger pad, before this part right here, can even push down the string. See? I'm trying to push, but my nail just hits the wood first, and then the pad of my finger can't press down that string. So I just want to make sure that you've cut your nails. Honestly, super duper simple. Just trim your nails regularly. You don't have to worry about it on your picking hand. That can actually be really nice, having some fingernails on that hand. You get a really nice tone. But for your chord hand, you definitely have to keep them short. And you'll look a little bit weird when one of your hands has short nails, the other one has long nails. But anybody who knows will be like, that's a guitar player. And they'll think it's cool. Anyways, this is just like a little PSA, to make sure that you're doing something that I just noticed some of my students weren't doing. And it's such an easy win. It's like, wow, all of a sudden I'm like 10 times better and it's so much easier to hold down the chord shapes. That's it. I just wanted to make sure you knew about that. Either way, I'll see you soon with some more good stuff, with some more tutorials and whatever you want to learn. Just let me know in the comments below. Have a good one.